So, yesterday we read the story about Mr. Edison's best invention. Did you agree with the author? Did you think that the light bulb was the best invention? I can't wait to go into Google Classroom and look and see what you decided. So, here's to help you identify the author's claim. Here's something to help you when you're reading a story that's a persuasive text. When you read an argumentative text, look for the claim. Okay? It's very important. Okay? Argumentative is the same as persuasive. Argumentative is you're arguing for something, you're arguing for something or against something. All right? So, the claim is a position the author takes on the subject. The author in yesterday's text says, I think the light bulb is Edison's best invention. Last week, you guys read I Want an Iguana. Alex thought the iguana was the best pet to have. Okay. Mrs. Watkins says purple is the best color. Okay. Those are our claims. Okay. It is always the author's opinion. Okay. The job of the author is to prove that statement. So he's going to spend time to try to prove the statement. The claim will come at the beginning of the text. Remember when we did the oral writing, you have your opinion at the top, you have your opinion at the bottom. Okay? It'll usually solve a problem or answer a question. What's the best pet? What is the best color? What is the best invention? Okay? How do we get the earth clean? How do we take care of our chores the best way? Okay? And then the author will include facts and evidence to prove the claim. If you just say purple is the best color because purple's the best, you're not going to talk anybody into doing purple's the best. So I would say purple's the best color because it is a mixture of red and blue, and red and blue are really neat colors. Purple's a cool color. It looks good when it's light. It looks good when it's dark. Those aren't facts, are they? Right? So you got to be careful because sometimes they'll make opinions sound like facts. Okay? So let's look at this example right here. Here's a claim. The best way to keep your cat from destroying furniture with her claws is to have a scratch post. Well, here's some evidence. After we bought a scratch post, Fluffy sharpened her claws on it instead of the couch. All right, there's some evidence. This sounds really a lot like science, doesn't it? We have claim, evidence, reasoning, right? Cats have the most interesting eyes of all the animals. All right, well, here's some evidence. Cats' pupils are vertical slits instead of circles like most animals' pupils. Interesting. There's the evidence. Does it persuade you? Yes or no? The evidence doesn't always persuade you. That's why you have to use the reasoning. In science, you do the claim, you do the evidence, and you do the reasoning. When an author does their writing, they'll give you the claim, they give you the evidence, they'll give you their reasoning, but you in turn have to do your own reasoning. So yesterday when you finished reading with me Edison's best invention, you had to do some reasoning to decide, was a light bulb the best one, the best invention or not? Or was there another invention you thought was better? Okay? So, the biggest thing to really define the claim is the thing that the author keeps bringing back. If you go back and look at I Want an Iguana, or you go back and look at Edison's best invention, you're going to notice that he says something about the light bulb many, many times in the story. He repeats that the light bulb is the best over and over. He even has a picture of the light bulb on the front cover, even though he's not saying light bulb yet. They talk about their claim a lot because they want you to know what their opinion is. So I hope this helps you understand identifying the claim. I also have a video for you to watch that might help you too. Have a good day. Bye.